Hi everyone, it's Father's Day. How do you celebrate Father's Day? Either you buy a gift for your dad, or you take him to some events, or even cook or fix a drink for your dad. Please leave your Father's Day idea down in the comments below. For me, while I am 1,000 miles away from my father, I will make this special dish today and record it and send to my dad to celebrate Father's Day. I got this shrimp from Asian market. They said it's from Ecuador, South America. It's a very good quality and a very good size for the shrimp I'm going to make today. I'm going to clean the shrimp and devine them, then prepare for deep fry. Let me get started. Now the shrimp is clean and deveined. I keep the shrimp head for presentation purpose later on. Also the shrimp I cut, then devein them, and I took the shrimp out of shell but still keep the very bottom tail attached, just for presentation purpose after I cook them. Okay, you can just totally get rid of the shell. It's okay. After I clean them, I just lie them on the paper towel and dry them. Okay, then I will set them on the side when I prepare the fish flavored sauce. While the shrimp is already prepared and then seasoned with a little bit salt and the ginger powder and set on the side. And let me start to make fish flavored sauce. Fish flavored sauce called 鱼香汁 in Chinese. It includes sour, sweet, salty, and a umami taste. Also has some spicy into it. So let me start to make this sauce. I have garlic, ginger. You can mince them. To be easy, I just use this crushed garlic come into a cube. And the ginger is the same, come as a cube. So just do 1 cube each for ginger and garlic. Then I chop some scallion. Also I have white pepper powder, soy sauce, cooking wine, and vinegar. I put 4 teaspoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of rice vinegar. The sugar and the rice vinegar should be the same amount. Little bit of cooking wine, about half teaspoon, and half teaspoon soy sauce. Pinch of white pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of water. Mix them together. When the sauce mixture is ready, let me cook with the rest of the ingredients. In medium heat, bring the saucepan to hot and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. First, add 1 tablespoon brown bean chili paste into the pan. Add ginger and garlic. Once you smell the aroma, add the sauce mixture into the pan. When it's all bubbling, add the rest of the scallion. And the sauce is done. So the fish fish flavored sauce is done. Then set on side, then I will work on the shrimp. About 3 cups of oil in the wok. Bring up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then put the head in.
Take only about 10 seconds, then get the shrimp head out quickly.
Then put the shrimp into the oil. Once it turns pink, quickly get it out of oil.
How do you think? It looks very festival, isn't it? My father is really happy to the effort I put into it. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there.